How to initiate your staking interest release. Step 1. Open your crypto wallet, MetaMask, Trust, TP, or others. Step 2. Tap Discover or Browser. Step 3. In the browser address bar, go to Orizon DeFAI. Step 4. Click Enter DApp. Step 5. Tap the menu icons. Step 6. Select Flexi Stake. Step 7. Scroll down and tap Claim Interest. Step 8. Enter the amount you want to claim. Step 9. Choose the number of days your interest release. Note, shorter durations may incur higher acceleration fees. Step 10. Tap Approve WBNB. Step 11. Tap Confirm to confirm the transaction. BNB gas fee required. Step 12. Tap Claim Interest. WBNB gas fee required. Please use our swap function to swap for WBNB if needed. Step 13. Confirm the final transaction. BNB gas fee required. You can scroll down to track the release progress and view your pending interest. Congratulations, you've successfully initiated your staking interest release.